My name's Caleb Kangas. I'm the owner of Third Space Design Build in Kansas City, and I started the company 13 years ago. We're a design build outdoor living company specializing in high-end residential outdoor living.
And why did you choose Knowledge Tree Consulting?
I think it was probably the trust and just building a relationship with George, and also the referral from Jeff and Chuck, kind of hearing and seeing what George had done with their company and the improvements he had helped them implement. And that was a big piece of it. And then meeting George and Jeremy out at H&A this year and spending a couple hours talking to those guys really helped to solidify to me that they had the knowledge and expertise I needed to help us take the next steps.
Was the investment in KTC worth it? And if so, what made it worth it?
Yeah, I think the investment was worth it. One of the things George told me in Louisville when we were talking is anything you do going to put you out of business, and if it's not, it may be worth a try. And so I kind of marinated on that for a little bit and decided, hey, the price to come up here and the investment is not going to put me out of business, and there are things that I could learn from George and from his team. So I decided to take the chance, and I think it was worth it. I think it was definitely worth coming up here to Toronto to meet with George, to meet with Jeremy, to see the operation at Oriole and meet some of the team members there. It was really good to kind of expand my perspective on where we can be as a company in a few years.
And how did the consulting service add value to your business?
I think it's adding value to our business in the sense that now we have a 5-year roadmap plan of where we're going to go and how we're going to do it, where those growth pieces will hopefully come from. And then also, George gave us a lot of tools to take home with the SWOT analysis, with the different business hats or responsibilities that I'm wearing. He gave us some tools to kind of take home and dive into those things a bit deeper with our team and talk about how do we start to hand over some of those responsibilities and how do we help grow our team. I think George was great at focusing on our opportunities. I think the biggest opportunity for us right now is we have a chance to get 1 or 2 really great key team members added to our team, and in doing that, it's going to give us the human capital that we need to take that next step, to bring in more work, to be able to handle that workload, and also to keep my stress levels low so that I'm not managing everything. I have my team helping me to do that.
Would you recommend KTC to other business owners, and what can they do to help?
Yeah, I would definitely recommend KTC to business owners for sure. I think every business has some uniqueness in terms of what things they're dealing with or what challenges they're facing, but George, Jeremy, and their entire team have so many years of experience in the landscape and hardscape industry. They've pretty much seen it all, so I think wherever you are, whether you're a new business or a seasoned business owner like myself, I think there's definitely going to be value in what that team brings to you, and they're going to be able to hone in on those areas of growth and opportunity for you. They're going to help you to refine those pain points within your business and help figure out solutions for those, and they're going to also really help to grow your team. And I think that's the biggest thing I'm excited about with not only my time here in Canada with Knowledge Tree, but then moving forward as I go back home, just having those continued conversations with the team at Knowledge Tree, and as things come up and as we start to implement some of these processes and solutions, to give them feedback and to continue to hear their ideas for how they can help our business.